Alright, well, as you can tell, we have an absolutely gorgeous October morning out here. Flat, calm, warm. It's gonna hit almost the 70s today. Not too many days like this left, man, so I'm gonna be out here for a while enjoying it. This is just gonna be a bottom fishing trip. I got a bunch of crabs. I'm going for tautog. There still might be some sea bass mixed in, but I'm going out deep. I'm going for big tog is the goal today. I want to crack 10 pounds, so might keep a few, but really just looking for big fish. So let's see what happens, man. Trips like this is when the autopilot comes in clutch, because I'm just going to be spot locking on structure all day. All right, I have arrived. I'm going to start off a little deeper in 66 feet, and I think we're going to have to build the bite up a little bit. So I'm going to start with half crabs, get some juices flowing. Crab slaughter fest activated. That was a big boy. Yeah, I pretty much was just expecting that. This is a... Oh, there we go. Yeah, little sea bass. Oh man, I hope it's not all sea bass. I mean, I'm getting 60 for a water temp. That's still pretty warm. Oh, getting hit already. That didn't take long. Yeah. There we go. Oh, what the hell? I had a bit of a reel malfunction there. I'll show you in a second. That's a tautog. That's the target species. Go! First one of the trip, not a keeper, but where there's one, there's more. Send her back down. There's gotta be a big boy down there. Oh man, I'm getting like instant, literally instant action. Man, this thing, there's a lot of small fish down there right now. Yeah, like they're all coming up this size. Actually, this is one of the smaller ones of the day, but he's got cool camo on him. On her, I believe that's a female. All right, since this bite is so good, I'm gonna try full crab action with double hooks.
Fishing education! I love it!
Ah. There we go. That one had a really monster hit on that. That was sloppy for a second, but I got him out of that shit. There you go. That's a better one. Oh yeah. Look at this one. That's a big mama. Smoke that full crab, man. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, look at this beefy mama. That's a nice one right there. Oh. Check out this fat boy. Yeah, maybe. Forgot my bump board too. Definitely a keeper if I want it, but let her swim. All right, full crabs it is. That was more of the size of what we're looking for. Another cookie cutter. They're ferocious because they're tearing up the full crabs down there. Like these size tog are just ripping it to shreds. But we know there's some bigger ones mixed in. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. This has got to be a keeper. Oh yeah, another nice one. Yeah, definitely a keeper. There we go. Not quite as big as that other one, but nice meaty female. Still fun though. They fight just as hard as the males. There we go. Another beefy female tog right here. Definitely a keeper, but we'll let her go.
You have a GoPro on?
Yeah,
Are you on TikTok?
I am.
Are you fish alright?
Yeah.
Oh, you are. I told you.
What's up? On a good little tog bite for a second, but now it's kind of changed. There we go. No, I'm just doubled up. I think that's the first time I've ever doubled up on tog, I'm not gonna lie. I think that's actually pretty cool. Got the bigger one off. See ya. Oh shit. There we go, that's a nice one. It'd be nice if I could stop turning off spot lock. There's a nice tog right here. Fat tog right here, another female. Really only gonna keep white chin males today for eaters. Beautiful fish, look at them lips. They're chewing. Found another good little spot. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, dude, another nice one. Oh, wow. Look at this freaking meat submarine, dude. Beautiful white chinner. That's the one I was looking for. It's a perfect eater right there. I'm gonna keep this guy. On the stringer he goes. Thank you, buddy. There we go. Another nice one. Ish. Probably another keeper right there, I would say. For sure. Oh, he's rusty. Check out this guy. He's call it rusty togs. They get like that orange on them. Now that is fall right there. Cool fish. Really only need like 1 or 2 fish to bring home, so now I'm just kind of trophy hunting. Take you. I'm just gonna use only full crabs to just try and get bigger fish. There we go. Man, good bite, dude. Oh, I just lost him. Pretty much the second I drop down a full crab, something's on it. There we go. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah, that's gotta be a good one. Oh yeah, that's another nice white chinner right there, baby. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice. It's another good eater right there. Beautiful white chin-up male tog right here. Another just perfect eater. Like, these are the perfect eating size. He's probably around, like, I don't know, a little over 20 inches, 20 inches, something like that. Nice. Beautiful. Got two perfect eater males right there. I think that's really all I need for today. There we go. That's a mondo. That's a mondo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice one, dude. Oh shit, I barely have him hooked. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a big boy. Look at this one, beautiful white chinner. Not quite as big as I thought, but one of the bigger ones of the day. Effing meat submarine, probably in the 20-inch class. Bigger than these two, that's for sure. I think that was the biggest one of the day. I didn't bring a scale or tape or anything, so I'm kind of just eyeballing these. I mean, the ones that are keepers, I know for a fact are keepers. They're probably like 18 and 19. That guy was probably in the 20-inch class. There we go. Look at this pile of tog right here. There we go. There we go. Are you kidding me? What the heck? I caught the world's biggest sea robin. Dude, that's a fat sea robin. Look at this. I doubled up on a tank of a sea robin and a small tog. That is a first for me, man. What the? There he goes. There he goes.